Good morning, children. Welcome to new chapter, our Earth in the Solar System. See, let us start this lesson with this classification: Universe, Milky Way and Galaxy, Solar System, Sun, planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets. These all are called as celestial bodies. These are the words meanings you are going to learn in this chapter. In this video, you are going to learn about universe, Milky Way or galaxy, our solar system. Our Earth in the solar system. See, night time in the summers, if you go on the terrace, what you can see at night time in the sky, you can see so many twinkling objects. Along with these bright objects, we also see the moon on the most of the days. So why we are not going to see daytime these twinkling stars and moon? All are there in the sky, but only we can see those all objects, that means stars or moon, all in the night time. Where they are going daytime, they are not moving anywhere daytime, but because of that sunlight we can't see those. Why? Because sun is brighter than those all objects. That's why we cannot see the moon and the stars all in the night time. So here, first of all, you are going to learn about universe. There are millions of galaxies which make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. There is lot to know about universe. Some scientists still they are doing research on this universe, what is there, that all. And the size of the universe is uncertain. And we are a part in this universe. We are in this universe. But still that scientists they are doing so many studies and research on this universe. See, this is the image of universe. Like this. In this universe, we are a part in this universe. Now, galaxies. What is a galaxy? A galaxy is also called Milky Way. A galaxy is a huge cluster of stars. That means millions of stars. Already you know, we cannot count the stars. Okay, uncountable stars will appear in the galaxy. And our solar system is a part in this galaxy. Our solar system is a part in the galaxy, and millions of these galaxies will make a universe. Understood? Now, galaxy appears in the clear sky as a cluster of millions of stars. How it will appear, Amma? This is a cluster of millions of stars. That's why that much brightness will be there in the sky at night time. And in ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named as Akashganga. This Milky Way only, those people in ancient India, those people used it to call as Akashganga. Why? Because just like a river, that light brightness will flow. That's why those people used to call as Akashganga. See, this is the image of galaxy. Like this, see, this is bright, just like a river, it is flowing. No, that's why it is called as Akashganga. And like this, millions of galaxies make the universe. That means in the universe, like this, galaxies, millions will be there. Understood, children? Now, solar system. The sun, planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets form the solar system. It is also called solar family with sun as its head. Okay, the solar system is also called as solar family. Who is the head of the family? Sun. Okay, what is the solar system? The sun. Sun is the head, and the planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, all these form the solar system. Already sun, what is the sun? You know, it is a big star and it is burning of gases, all you know. And planets, there are 8 planets, and satellites, natural satellite of the earth is moon, already you know. About the in detail we are going to learn in this chapter. Satellites, asteroids, meteors, comets, all you are going to learn in detail in this chapter. Okay, the earth does not have its own heat and light. The earth receives heat and light from the sun. The sun is the closest star to the earth. Our solar system consists of 8 planets. All the planets move around the sun. All the 8 planets move around the sun, and the earth receives, every day we are getting heat and light that are from the sun only. The earth does not have any heat and light. It is receiving from the sun. Why? Because our earth is a planet. It is also a part in the solar system. That's why it is receiving everything from the sun. See, this is our solar system. These are the planets. This is sun. Sun is a star, and always this is a big sphere of ball of burning gases. The sun always the sun emits the energy. See, these are the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These 8 planets always they will move around the sun in the solar system. Children, now a small assignment for you. The earth receives light and heat from dash. The solar system is also called as dash. Dash is the head of the solar family. Millions of galaxies make the dash. There are dash planets in the solar system. Thank you, children.